So today what I want to talk about is drought mitigation. So one of the experiments I'm going to do this year, I grow row crops, fruit trees, and I also grow container plants. So I do a lot of experiments with vegetables and other plants in containers. So this year what I want to do is utilize shading of various large trees that I have around the farm. And you can see here it's approximately 3:30 in the afternoon, and you can see the large area of shade here. Right now it's already unseasonably hot and dry. So as the drought gets worse, what I want to do is try to take advantage of some of the shade areas and put my plants there. And what that'll do is give them bright sun in the morning till about 12 to 1 o'clock. So from 1 o'clock on, they'll be in the shade when the heat and the sun is the worst. So I'm going to try this and see if it mitigates the demand for water and the scorching from the sun. So this is a tip that you may want to utilize in your efforts to mitigate the drought in your area. So this is another example. We have a hawthorn tree in the distance that we use for rootstock for pear trees. And you can see the large shaded area. So that's just another example. You can see in this field it's getting really heavy bright sun, which would increase the water demand tremendously and or scorch the plants so they're non-productive. So please comment, rate, subscribe. We'll see you on the next video.